everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're doing something super cool and colorful. We're going to make an actual rainbow in a glass. It looks like magic, but it's pure science, and you can do it right at home with simple kitchen ingredients. Ready to create some colorful magic? Let's get started. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need a tall, clear glass or jar, some water, and sugar. You'll also need food coloring in rainbow colors: red, yellow, green, and blue. Will work perfectly. And finally, you'll need a few small cups for mixing and a spoon or a dropper to help us layer the colors. Got everything? Great. Now for the fun part, mixing our rainbow solutions. We're going to create different colored sugar waters, each with a different density. Density is just how much stuff is packed into a space. The more sugar we add to the water, the denser it becomes. This is the secret to making the colors stack on top of each other instead of mixing together. Let's grab 4 small cups. In the first cup, we'll mix our blue solution. Add about 4 tablespoons of sugar and 3 tablespoons of warm water. Stir it really well until all the sugar is dissolved. This is going to be our heaviest, most dense layer, so it goes at the bottom. Add a few drops of blue food coloring and give it a final stir. Look at that deep blue. Next up is green. In the second cup, mix 3 tablespoons of sugar with 3 tablespoons of warm water. Again, stir until the sugar is completely gone. Then, add your green food coloring. Since this has less sugar than the blue, it will be less dense and will float on top of it. You know the drill by now. For our third cup, we'll make the yellow layer. This time, we're using only 2 tablespoons of sugar with our 3 tablespoons of warm water. Stir it up and add that beautiful yellow coloring. This layer is even lighter than the green one. And finally, for our red layer at the top, we'll use just 1 tablespoon of sugar with 3 tablespoons of warm water. Mix it well and add your red food coloring. This is our least dense, lightest layer, so it will sit right on top of the rainbow. Now we have 4 beautiful, vibrant solutions, each with a different density. It's time to build our rainbow. Grab your tall, clear glass. The key here is to add each layer very slowly and carefully. We don't want them to mix. We'll start with the densest color, which is blue. Pour the blue solution into the bottom of the glass. Now, for the green layer, this is where you need a steady hand. The best way to do this is to use a spoon or a dropper. Tilt the glass slightly and slowly pour the green solution down the inside of the glass or trickle it over the back of a spoon. You want it to gently flow onto the surface of the blue layer. Take your time. See how it's starting to form a separate layer? Amazing! Let's continue with our yellow layer. Using the same slow and gentle technique, pour the yellow solution on top of the green. Keep the glass tilted and let the liquid run down the side. Watch as that bright yellow band appears above the green. Our rainbow is really taking shape. Last but not least, the red layer. This is the lightest of them all. Slowly add the red solution on top of the yellow. Be extra gentle with this final layer. And there you have it, a beautiful 4-layered rainbow in a glass, from blue at the bottom to green, yellow, and red at the top. How incredible is that? You've just created a liquid density tower. The layers stay separate because the blue water at the bottom has the most sugar and is the heaviest, while the red water at the top has the least sugar and is the light. It's a fantastic and delicious way to see science in action. You can experiment with more colors or even other liquids like honey, dish soap, or oil to see how they stack up. It's all about density. Thanks so much for joining me today to make this awesome rainbow in a glass. I hope you had as much fun as I did. If you try this at home, let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun experiments. See you next time.